Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to track inventory in Shopify. For example, you wanted to track a specific on how many items is available onto your shop. Like for example, this one. You can see that there is a total inventory across all locations for 50 pieces. Now, all you're going to do first is when you're creating a specific product, go on to the product and click here on add product. We can see here a track things like inventory things. You can see here under the inventory, the word track quantity. All you need to do is to check this box and you can add a specific on how many shop locations you want. For example, I'm going to type here on a 5. You can also click on edit locations and choose a specific locations where you want to the inventory to be counted. Now from here, you can add also a shop location like continue selling when out of stock. Click this check mark, add a stock keeping unit and a barcode. And then after that, click the save button onto the top right corner to update your inventory and track it, and also track the quantity. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.